Letter number 22, Kaf. We talked about the Qaf, the thick K, in the last video, right? In this video, we're gonna talk about the K of the Arabic alphabet, Kaf. Pronounced Ka, like the letter K in English, exactly, Ka. Now in slang, in some accents, it's pronounced Cha, like the C and H in child. And that's especially in accents where they pronounce Qaf as Ka. So to distinguish between Qaf is pronounced Ka and Kaf is pronounced Cha. Now, rarely it's pronounced Tsa, like a T and an S, but you can hear this in some parts of Saudi Arabia. But Ka is the official pronunciation, which you will hear the most. In fact, look, in order not to confuse yourself, focus on the Fusha pronunciation or the official pronunciation of the letters, at least for now. Now, about the way it looks, notice how it looks like a ladle with a Hamza in its lap here. Okay? This will change when Kaf comes in the beginning or in the middle of the word. For example, let's take the first example, Kalb. Kalb, which means a dog. Look how Kaf turned into a zigzag. Another example, Shukran, which means thank you.
شكرا.
See? So at the beginning of the word and in the middle of the word, it turns into a zigzag. Now, another word where Kaf comes at the end is Samak, which means fish. See how Kaf here looks exactly like its original shape, a ladle with a Hamza. A ladle with a Hamza, okay? Another word, Kak, which means cookies or cake. Here you have the two Kafs, Kaf at the beginning and at the end. So you have the two shapes here. Another word, Karak, which is a city in the south of Jordan, and also it's the name of a tea recipe, Shai Karak. Note how Kaf turns to its original shape at the end and if it stands alone, not connected to any other letter. Okay, the ladle with a Hamza. So to recap, Kaf is the K of the Arabic alphabet. At the beginning of the word and in the middle of the word, it turns into a zigzag. At the end of the word, or if it stands alone, not connected to any other letter, it turns back to its original shape. A ladle with a Hamza. Okay? Practice it well. If you have any questions or if you need any further explanation, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.